Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the government university. And here it is assistant professor level 10 category. So your salary might be in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month as per the UGC regulations. So it is a very good news to the candidates who are looking for the government jobs, guys, and especially central government jobs. Okay, so if you are not belongs to the departments whatever I'm going to show you right now, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. It will be helpful to them. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is, you may check down Swami Shraddhananda College, University of Delhi. So it is official website of this college, guys, and here you may check down in the news of this website. See, guys, urgent online applications for appointment to the post of assistant professor. So there is a urgent requirement is there. Fine. So if you click on this one, then you will be directed to this PDF, guys. So first we will see the online applications are invited in the prescribed application form at web link. Okay, here the website link is also provided from eligible candidates for appointment to the post of assistant professor in the academic pay level 10 category as per the 7th Central Pay Commission in various departments of the college. The last date for receipt of application is 2 weeks from the date of publication. So 2 weeks means actually this notification published on 8th April 2021. So 2 weeks means just take plus 15 days. Okay, 8 plus 15 days. Okay, so still the date is there. Try to apply as early as possible, guys, if you are interested. And coming to the subjects, botany, chemistry, commerce, computer science, economics, English, EVS, geography, Hindi, history, mathematics, microbiology, physical education, physics, political science, Sanskrit, and zoology. Fine. So these are the departments, guys, and here the total number of vacancies as per the department, and the number of vacancies as per the caste category wise also mentioned here in the table. And coming to the eligibility and qualification, the minimum qualification for the appointment as assistant professor is a master's degree with 55% of marks. Okay, in concerned or relevant or allied subject from an Indian university or equivalent degree from a foreign university. Apart from that one, the candidate must have fulfilled the or else qualified the national eligibility test conducted by the UGC or a CSIR. Okay, and the candidates who acquired the PhD degree, they are exempted from the net qualification. Okay, and yeah, so these are the main important things, guys, and few general instructions are given here. So you please go through this one. And coming to the application fee, so application fee is 500 rupees for the assistant professor for UR, OBC and EWS category. No application fee will be charged for SC, ST and PWBD category, as well as the women candidates also, guys. So all the women applicants, irrespective of their caste category, no application fee. And UR, OBC, EWS boys has to pay 500 rupees. Okay. So it is application fee, guys. And next, so the applicants, in case any persistent technical issue you are facing at the time of filling up of online application form, I will show you how to fill up the online application form at the end of this video. So the applicants can mail their problem to the college email ID principalssncollege@gmail.com. So if you are facing any problem in the technical issues at the time of filling up of online application form, then you may send your query to that provided mail ID. And the relevant certificates for respective reserved categories are not uploaded with the application. The application will be rejected. Okay, that means whatever the caste you are claiming, so regarding that one, those are all the necessary certificates you have to upload, guys. And the shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. That means based upon your application, they will not conduct any written test. They will directly call for the written you. Okay, and at the time of interview, you should bring the certificates or testimonials and original along with the valid photo ID and a set of self-attested photocopy of certificates with respect to the qualification, experience and category. Okay, and candidates who are working in government or public sectors, they have to bring the no objection certificate. Okay, so these are the things, guys. And coming to the assistant professor, as per the department or else the subject wise, they given the eligibility conditions here. So for arts, commerce, humanities and social sciences, language and physical education, so eligibilities are mentioned here. Almost all the eligibilities are same, guys. Master's degree with 55% of marks in the particular department, plus you should clear, you must have the UGC net qualification or CSIR net qualification. Okay, so SLET or SET must be there. Of course, regarding the SLET or SET is not mentioned here. They mentioned only the CSIR net or the UGC net qualification, guys. And the candidates who are having the PhD degree, they are exempted from the UGC net or the CSIR net qualification. Yeah. And criteria for shortlisting of candidates for interview for the post of assistant professor. So graduation, you can take up this marks yourself, guys. Okay, so graduation, if you are having 80% above, then take down the 21 marks, and post graduation above 80%, take down the 25 marks. And if you are having the MPhil, no MPhil, 0 marks, no PhD, 0 marks. If you are having net with JRF, then 10 marks. Only net with assistant professor, then 8 marks. Okay, regarding the publications and experience, okay, the marks are provided here. So based upon this one, they are going to call for the interview, guys. Okay, and as I told, that application procedure. Okay, so I will provide this PDF link at in the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so after opening this PDF link, then if you are interested and eligible, then please click on this one. Then you will be directed to the online application form directly, guys. See, recruitment assistant professor colleges. Okay, so if you are new to this one, then you have to first register yourself. New account, email, password, confirm password, mobile. Okay, if you register, then you will get the username and password you will get. So based upon that registered email ID and password, login, and then fill up all the necessary details. Okay, guys, please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. Okay, it will be helpful to them also. And please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, So it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide